Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing. Of course, I am here to teach you another line dance. The name of this dance is Masld, Now and Forever. That is Marsha and Soul Line Dancing right over here, an hour away from me, Gulfport, Mississippi. It is a two-wall dance. It's 3 parts and instructors. I challenge you to teach your beginners, not the novice, not the ones that just came into your class, but those that's been dancing for a minute. It's 3 parts. Very easy. I will use this dance on my playlist towards the end of the class. It's nice, it's smooth, and it's a nice cool down line dance. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, please, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As usual, I will post a demo at the end. Check it out. This is the instructional. Also, check out the choreography, the choreographer instructional. She has an instructional also. I want to give a shout out to everyone that's been leaving a comment. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the like. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe if you like this channel. So guys, let's go. So we're going to start at this wall. I'm going to teach you part 1, okay? Part 1, you're going to do at all 4 walls. Part 2, you're just going to do at the front wall. Part 3, you're going to do it twice to get to your second wall, which would be the back wall, okay? Like I told you, 3 parts. Part 1, you're going to do at all 4 walls, the same thing. Part 2, you're just going to do at the front wall. And part 3, you're going to do it twice, and it's going to bring you to your back wall so you can start the dance over, okay? There's no tags, there's no bridges, but there is a change to this dance, and we'll go over that, okay? So, standing on this side of the room, looking in this direction. We're just going to do a cha-cha up, and then cha-cha back. Then we're going to do a lende, and then we're going to turn a quarter turn to our right on 7/8. And that's it. You're going to just do it over and over again, all the way around the room. This is how it looks. The weight is on the left side. We're going to cha-cha up, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8, just like that. Then we're going to do a lende to the right, shuffle right. 1 and 2, rock, recover, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. So we turn on 7, quarter turn with our right shoulder coming back. That is part 1. We're just going to repeat at all 4 walls. Let's put it together again. Then we're going to do it at all 4 walls. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, step, 7, 8, lende. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. This wall here, let's repeat the same thing. We're going forward, then to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, step, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. We had our third wall. You got it right. We're going to repeat again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, step, 7, 8. Lende, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. You're looking back at the camera, but you can go ahead and look forward because you already know what to do. Cha-cha forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, step, 7, 8. Lende. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Done. That is part 1. All 4 walls. All right. Part 2. We're going to do a lock step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to lock back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the lock step is just like a like a cha-cha-cha or a shuffle. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's step, lock, step, lock, step, and rock, 2, 3, 4. Step, lock, step, lock, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. And just for verification, you can shuffle up 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's the same thing. It's the same count. Okay, but just to change it up, a lock step, step behind step, step behind step, rock, 2, 3, 4, and moving forward. Moving back, you step to the front, step behind, forward step, forward step, and rock, 2, 3, 4. It's the same concept, okay? That's it. That's part 2. Lock step forward on the right and the left, and rock for 4. Lock back on your right and your left, and rock for 4. Done deal. Now let's go on to part 3, and then we'll put it all together. So part 3 is going to be a side rock recover with a weave to the back, side, front. So it's side rock recover, step back, side, front, side rock recover, step back, side, front. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, we're going to do a couple of turns. We rock up, we do a quarter turn, and come back and do a half turn. And then we're going to do a coaster step, right, left, right, left, right. So, for the sake of you seeing all the steps, I'm going to change my wall, okay? So let's see if this wall works. So side rock recover. So stand on this side, looking in this direction. So here's the concept. Let me teach the concept again. Let's try this wall. So at this wall, we do side rock recover, weave, back, side, front, side rock recover, back, side, front, rock up, quarter turn, half turn with a coaster step. So you're going to do it easy, but you rock up first. Rock up, easy quarter, easy half, coaster step. Okay? Don't forget our wall. Forget about our wall right now. Okay? But we repeat this same step twice. When you do that, remember we started at this wall, it will bring us to our second wall. And you start over again. But all you have to know is that you're doing a side rock recover, back, side, front, side rock recover, back, side, front, rock up, easy quarter, easy half, with a coaster step, side rock recover. So I started at this wall. When I do it again, I'll be facing you, okay? Now, let's go back to our wall, this wall here, and put that concept together. We're going to do it twice. Side rock recover, 5, 6, 7, and side rock recover, back, side, front, side rock recover, back, side, front, rock up, easy quarter, easy half with a coaster step, side rock recover, back, side, front, side rock recover, back, side, front, rock up, quarter, easy half with a coaster step. Remember that, don't change out your footwork. Everything you're going to step on the right, okay? Rock up, easy quarter, easy half with a coaster step. You do that side rock recover. But when it comes to rock up first, the right leg goes up, the right leg steps a quarter wall, and then half. Same footwork, then you come back. Coaster step. From here, we add our second wall. We're done. I just taught you part 1, 2, and 3. We're going to go all through each part. Don't worry about it. Just want you to think about it for a minute. This is how we got to our second wall. Part 1, we did a cha-cha up with a lende and turned on 7/8 at all 4 walls. So we did just one part of the dance, the same dance, part of the choreography at all 4 walls. So that's really one thing. Okay? Then, part 2, we did at the front wall. We didn't even turn. So that's really 2 steps that you're doing, 2 parts of the dance that you're doing. And then the third part that we're doing it twice. So that's why instructors, I said, your beginners can learn this dance, because they're really doing just only 3 parts of the dance, okay? And it's a 2 wall dance, and it starts over. So you get 2 full rotations. Okay, when you come back to this wall right here, the dance starts over. How does it start over? You're going to do part 1 at all 4 walls. When you finish, come back to this wall after the 3rd rotation, you're going to do part 3 throughout the whole entire dance. Side rock, recover. You're just going to do that over and over again until the song ends. Okay? Now let's put it together. So I just gave you the rotation. Full rotation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3rd rotation, 1 at all 4 walls. And then the dance ends with just only doing 3 over and over again. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, then 6 steps, 7, 8. Lende, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, left, 5, then 6, turn, 7, 8. Take it up. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, turn, 7, 8. Move it forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. To the side. 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, then 6, turn, 7, 8. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5, then 6 steps, 7, 8. Lende, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. I'm going to stop here. Instructors, this is what I want you to check out, that your students might over-rotate and they'll lose their walls. So if you see them do this, make sure you correct them, because it might be a possibility they'll miss the wall. So they'll do this. They'll do this part here, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. But this here, 1 and 2 go 3, 4, 5, then 6, and then they turn back on 7, 8. And they're here at this wall because they over-rotated. Okay? So tell them not to do that. You don't need to go back here when you're getting ready to turn forward. You understand? So I go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. We turn it to the right. So you don't need to go 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5, then 6. They lose what wall they need to go to. So tell them not to over-rotate that rock recover when they come back on the left, okay? So I just thought about that, because I see that in my class where they just they over-rotate, okay? And they lose their wall. So when you over-rotate, you really here. So your quarter turn really is going to be at this wall here. But when you go back here, rock recover, here, and go right here. So just making a note of that. Okay. So also, part 2. Here we go. Lock step, right? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part 2. Side rock recover, part 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right up. 1, 2, quarter, 3, 4, half, 5, 6 with a coaster step. Right, left, right. Okay? Do it again. Part 2 is going to do these twice. Side rock recover. Side rock recover. Back, side, front. Side rock recover. Side, back, front. Right up. Quarter, quarter, half, right back with a coaster step. All right, then the dance starts over. part 1, part 2, part 3. Third rotation you hear. Start the dance over with part 1. When you come back here, all you're going to do is side rock recovery through the whole dance. And up, quarter, half, with a coaster, side rock recovery. You're going to hear the music. It's going to tell you what to do. Rock up first, quarter, half, with a coaster step. Do it again. Hey, just keep doing it. Hey, hey. That's it. Part 1, 2, and 3. Would you communicate with me? Would you leave me a comment? Just say hi. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you like this channel. And also share this video with your friends. What they call gatekeeping, whatever. It's like you know something but you don't want to share it with anybody. Share this video with somebody, okay? Let me know what you think. I thank y'all guys right here. Let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope you did well, Miss Marsha. Bye-bye.